Now let us discuss about nutrition in heterotrophs. Each organism is adapted to its environment. The form of nutrition differs, depending on the type and availability of food material, as well as how it is obtained by the organism. For example, a deer gets its nutrition from grass or plants, and the tiger in turn feeds on the deer. What is heterotrophs and heterotrophic nutrition? Some organisms depend on plants or other animals for their nutrition, are called heterotrophs. This process of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Do all heterotrophic organisms take their food in the same manner? No, different organisms obtain and ingest their food in different ways. The different ways of ingesting food are: fungi, yeast and mushrooms takes foods like breads, wood etc. They break down non-living organic materials outside the body before they absorb it. Parasites like mosquito, orchids, leeches, ticks, lice, tapeworms get their food from living host plants or animals without killing them. Let's see how other organisms take complex food and break it into simpler form inside their bodies. Since the food and the way it is obtained differ, now the digestive system is different in various organisms. For unicellular organisms or single-celled organisms, that is amoeba, Paramecium etc., do not have any special organs for the process of nutrition. Unicellular organisms absorb food through their body surface. Let's study more about amoeba. Amoeba feeds on microscopic animals that live in water. When an amoeba wants to take a food particle, it encircles the food within its pseudopodia. The food is enclosed in a food vacuole. The food in the food vacuole is digested by lytic enzymes. The digested food diffuses into the body of the amoeba, whereas undigested food is thrown out. Let's study more about Paramecium. Unlike amoeba, the Paramecium is slipper sheet with cilia on its surface. Food is taken in at a specific spot on the body called mouth pore. When the Paramecium wants to take food, cilia pushes the food particle towards the enter point, that is mouth pore. From mouth pore food enters into food vacuole, and is broken down into simpler form. These simple molecules are absorbed, and waste material is thrown out. Since we have seen the digestive system in unicellular organisms, now let us discuss about digestive system in multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are human beings, horse etc., have specialized in complex organs for the process of digestion, which forms a digestive system. In the digestive system, food is taken in, broken down into a simpler form and absorbed. The waste material is thrown out. The process of breaking down a complex food material into simpler form is called digestion. The digested food is absorbed by the body cells. These body cells provide energy to work, like running, cycling etc., and the raw material is used to build new cells. Let us discuss about digestive system in human beings. Before moving on to digestive system, we need to know about the parts in digestive system. The digestive system is made of the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. Alimentary canal also includes digestive glands such as liver and pancreas. Alimentary canal is 30 feet, 9 meters, long in human being. The mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas are organs in the digestive system. The duodenum, jejunum and ileum make up the small intestine. The cecum, appendix, colon, rectum and anus make up the large intestine.